Hello Clashers, only the top 5% can get a perfect score. Are you up for the challenge? Which animal provides us with fresh eggs? What animal is known for mooing? Which farm animal loves rolling in mud? What do we call a baby sheep? Which animal is commonly used for herding? What animal gives wool for clothes? Which animal says, "Nay," on the farm? What do we call a young cow? What bird swims and waddles on the farm? What do we call a male chicken? Type your answer in the comments below. Correct answers will be pinned at the top.